So both His Excellency Peter Obi, Aisha Yesufu, Olusegun Obasanjo, and other strong Obedients are actually in Edo State. And for me, I would say they should be there till the end of this week, till Saturday when the election will occur. And even on Sunday, they should just be there to support Olumide Akpata just the way they have been doing now. Because trust me, if they give a little chance, a lot of things will be scattered and a lot of things will happen that there will be no place to really put them in place. So Peter Obi and Olumide Akpata, alongside Olusegun Obasanjo and others, they were in church today, today Sunday, at the Holy Cross Cathedral in Benin City, where Olumide Akpata gave out 50 refrigerators to widows. I gave out 50 refrigerators to widows in the state, and he also donated the sum of 3 million naira to the church just to show support. This is not like Thanksgiving or anything. This is like a man who is willing to show you guys that yes, he's ready to work for the good people of the state. And for me to see someone like Olusegun Obasanjo and others, I think it is a really, really strong alliance now that they really want to be there and see those who are really going to be the INEC people that will come outside and rig the election for the opposition party. Now, we all know that in Edo State, there is a lot of people who are bringing out their candidates. APC had their candidate who was brought by Adam Oshomole, and PDP have their own candidate who was brought out by Godwin Obaseki. But the good people of Edo State are not actually ready to support APC because why? We all know the evil APC is doing in the country today. How much is a liter of fuel in your area? Should be in Nigeria. Now, for PDP, the former governor, which is Obaseki, had not done anything in the whole of Edo State. At least it's not for me. The good people of Edo State are saying that in his 8 years in office, there is no achievement to show. So they don't really even want to support Obaseki candidates, neither do they want to support Adam Oshomole candidate. Now, see the irony about this full political thing that a lot of you guys don't understand. Now, Oshomole dumped PDP to APC. Now, he is in APC, and Obaseki is still in PDP. And Obaseki brought his own candidates, and Oshomole brought his own candidate. Now, you should see that Oshomole, who actually supported Obaseki to become the governor, is no more in his side again, but now turning his back at the same. So those two parties already have clash on each side. And I feel the reason why the likes of Peter Obi, Obasanjo, and the loads and loads of others are actually in the state. In fact, even Aisha Yesufu is in town. She's in Benin to show support to Olumide Akpata. And trust me, I believe there should be a win for the Labour Party in Edo State, because Edo is fully obedient. If you guys remember during the 2023 general election, their support alone was the talk of the entire nation, both home and abroad. They all brought out their support massively for Labour Party. So it is high time that everyone who is in Edo State, please go out on Saturday and ensure you vote Labour Party. I did a video earlier here about the campaign yesterday where both Peter Obi, Olumide Akpata, Aisha Yesufu, and other Obidient were all outside. They were outside. They visited both Ekpoma and Akoko Edo. Those were the two places they campaigned yesterday. And the campaign was so massive. It was so awesome that the people stay outside, especially the people of Ekpoma. They were outside till late hours just to welcome both Peter Obi and Olumide Akpata. And few days ago, the executive governor of Abia State was there. He gave them support. He let them know that if they vote Olumide Akpata, what is happening in Abia State is exactly what will be happening there. Now, let's dive a little into what is happening with the INEC in this country. Now, we all know that one way or the other, the INEC might be assigned by, however, the state government, or might be controlled by the current state governor and all of that. But if we know what happened in Abia State, that even while Okezekpa's was still the governor, they became a favorable thing. Something really happened. The INEC was in order and everything worked out. And the right person who was voted for won that election. We believe that that is exactly what will happen in Edo State come this Saturday. Because to see the likes of Peter Obi, to see the likes of Aisha Yesufu, Olusegun Obasanjo, former president, being around to show full support, then trust me, it's no more a child's play. I'm just going to read this article. It's coming from one of the aides of H.E. Peter Obi. He said, "Unity in action. Mr. Peter Obi and Barrister Olumide, Labour Party governorship candidate, join forces today as a series of game-changing engage across Edo State. Progress is coming." The day began with a heartfelt courtesy visit to Archbishop Akubweze at St. Paul's, where he fostered invaluable connection, solidifying our shared dedication to uplifting the community. Following this, they attended Mass at the Holy Cross Cathedral on Mission Road in Benin City, where the congregation welcomed us warmly. From there, we proceeded to the Igbo Anglican Church at 156 Upper Lawani Street in New Benin, where prayers and blessings underscore the diversity and the unity of our great nation. In a truly historic moment, Mr. Peter Obi stood alongside notable figures such as Chief Olusegun Obasanjo, GCON, and former Governor Lucky Igbenedion, among others, to celebrate the extraordinary life of Esama of Benin Kingdom, His Excellency Sir Chief Dr. Gabriel Osawaru Igbenedion at 90. The celebration held at St. Gabriel Archangel Cathedral at 96 Sackler Road was a profound evidence to the enduring richness of faith, culture, and tradition that defines Edo State. The day culminated at the Labour Party Secretariat on Lagos Street, where we joyfully welcomed the new members who recently joined the movement, their enthusiasm, and shared belief in our vision of a better Nigeria, where we met with open arms as we strengthen our ranks. These engagements are a clear reflection of our unshakable commitment to development and prosperity of Edo State and Nigeria at large. We move forward emboldened by the spirit of hope, unity, and collective actions. This is coming from Dr. Mo. And I have already shared the pictures here earlier. I shared some of the pictures while I was making a roundup of what really happened, like the summary of the activities. And like I said, it will be very, very awesome to see forces like Aisha Yesufu, Olusegun Obasanjo, H.E. Peter Obi, and all of them together till Saturday in Edo State and ensure that Labour Party win. If there's victory from Labour Party in Edo State, it will be glorious and very, very beautiful to celebrate. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe. Drop your thoughts below.